Hey guys, this is Chetan Rana, Bollywood instructor of RSUDC, and she is
Harsha Maheshwaran, and I'm also the instructor of RSUDC, Bollywood Freestyle.
and we love
Bollywood.
Today we're gonna teach you a routine on Bollywood freestyle. Bollywood.
I'm going to tell you what Bollywood Freestyle is. Bollywood. It's something that's present in every Indian's blood. For example, we go for movies every day. We see various kind of item songs like Sheila, Muni. Then we see various type of rock and roll songs. Then we see disco songs like I Hate You, Like I Love You. Yes. So all those varieties along with a bit of bhanga and patriotism, all of that. When we are expressing something with the lyrics going on, that's something that we call as Bollywood. And freestyle is, as the name itself describes, is freestyle, any kind of style. You could just put any style in it. So that's called Bollywood freestyle.
Nice.
Now tell me, what's routine?
Routine. Like routine, we make it with the bars. Okay? The bar is equal to 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Okay? We include second bar, third bar, fourth bar like that. A set of bars is called routine. And that routine we can do for any kind of song.
Like
if it's a fast song, boom, boom, po, go with the beat.
Right.
If it's slow song, go with the beat. Okay? If it's moderate, go with the beat.
So basically, the musicality.
Musicality. You have to judge the music when you want to dance, okay, and go with the music. That's it. Routines are fixed and the songs are changing. Okay? Now you understand? Today we're gonna teach you routine 1.
Routine 1, bar 1. So we start with our footwork. What you need to do is tap. Tap your right, left, right and right. And then you go with your hands. What are these called?
Giants.
Yes. So now you start with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Easy? So these are the first 4 counts of the bar. Now next 4 counts go like, you place your left hand like it's moving to the side and your right hand like you're combing your hair. So you go like this and your legs go like twisting towards, I mean you're bending towards the right hand side. So you're going to do 1 and then you're going to turn to the left hand side and do 2. Okay, so these 2 counts go like 1 and 2. Now the last 2 counts of the bar is just tapping your left leg and moving both your hands together. You go 1 and 2. Okay, so I'll do the last 4 counts continuously for you. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Easy? So the entire bar looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So bar 2. Now we start with putting our left leg to the right hand side like this and opening both our hands. This is 1. Now 2 goes like putting our right leg towards this side and placing our left hand here with our right hand loose. Now the third step is a simultaneous move. We're going to move both right and left together and your hands push in. From here, 5, 6, 7, you go like this. And from here, you're finally going to open and face forward like this. Okay, so the entire move looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first 4 counts of the second bar. Bar 2, the last 4 counts go like, first you go towards the left hand side by knocking your knees inside like this. And then you go towards the right hand side like this. So it goes like 1 and 2. The next 2 counts, your left leg will go on its heel and your right leg will go on its toe. So let's do it together. 1 and 2, 3, and then you're finally going to place them both together and bend down like that. So the entire move looks like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bar 2 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to place both your legs forward and back. That's a simultaneous move. Place. Now pick your left leg up in the second beat. 2. In the third count, you're going to push it back with your hand. 3. And in the fourth count, again, you're going to get them both together. 4. Now your hands go like 1, 2, where you're picking up your leg. 3 is pushing them back, and 4 is placing them back. Okay, so you're going to go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the first 4 counts of bar 3. So bar 3, last 4 counts. First 4 counts were 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, you open both your hands outside, and your right leg is placed outside. So you're going to go 1 and close. So this is first 2 counts. 1 and 2. The next 2 counts go like in and in. So basically, your right leg is just tapping, and your hands go inside. What are these hands called again? Jazz hands, don't forget. So we're going to do 5, 6, 7. Go, open, close, in and in. So the entire bar looks like 5, 6, 7. Go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, in and in. So now we go with bar 4. We ended with the last bar, and now put your right hand back and your left hand forward. What is the basic trick of this step is leave your wrist loose. Okay, you need to go like that. Yes. Now just do 1, 2, 3 and 4, and simultaneously move your hip. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do both of them together. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. The last 4 counts of bar 4 goes like, first you bend down and then you place your left leg forward with your right. Simple? Let's see. 5, 6, 7 go. 1 and 2. Now your hands go like, roll your hand and placing your left hand outside. So let's do both of them together. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. From here, you're going to jump towards the diagonal side. That's right diagonal. So you jump and then you pop your chest out. It's just popping your chest out. And how does your hand go? After you do 1 and 2, you're going to make, what is this called, sir?
Punch hands.
Yes. So you're going to maintain the punch hands and then go diagonal and pull yourself, like you're pulling something like that. Okay? Now let's see how the bar looks. 5, 6, 7. Go. Roll out. 1, 2. So the fourth bar looks like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Roll out. 1 and pull. Now bar number 5. You end here. So the first 4 counts go like, you walk. First place your hands to the side. 1. Then that side. 2, 3 and it goes out. How do your legs go? First you put your right leg forward. 1. Then left leg forward. 2. Right leg forward. 3. And you jump forward. Simple. Let's see how it works together. 5, 6, 7. Go. Look, look, look and up. So make sure you're looking towards the direction your hands are going towards. Let's do it once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next 4 counts of this routine goes like, first you're going to open your hands and then you're going to cross and put them down. Simple. So open and cross. How do your legs go like? You place your right leg forward. 1. And then your left leg crosses your right. 2. And you bend down. So let's see how the entire steps looks like. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. After this, you're going to roll, like take a small spin, and again jump out. So the entire 5th bar looks like 1, 2, 3 and jump, cross, cross, turn and out. So we are going with the last bar of this routine, right?
Yeah.
So now we go like, place your right leg back. 1, and then you're going to place your left leg back. 2. Come back. I'm going to show you your hands. So first, you're pushing. What is this called again? Jazz hands. So you're pushing this like this, your right shoulder is being pushed, and then you do the same towards the left hand side and okay. Now let's see how it goes with the legs. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and so these were the first 4 counts of this bar. So the last 4 counts of this bar goes like you step with your right, step, 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 and the last count is your own count where you can pose. So your hands go like cross, open and cross. Okay, so let's do it with the legs. 5, 6, 7, go, cross, open, cross, and the last count is your free count. So you pose, 1, 2, 3, go, pose, or pose. You can do anything you want to. So let's see how this entire bar looks like. 5, 6, 7, go, 1 and 2 and cross, open, cross, pose. That's it. So that's the end of routine number 1. If you want to see how the entire routine looks like with music, let's check it out. So this was the end of routine number 1. Live your dance and keep practicing because we're soon going to come with
Routine number 2.
yes, keep dancing.
Bye.